Hello guys, it's me, Harley Cat AJ, and today I want to share something that's known by most people, but not all, is that if you see these Take One candy things, this is for only Halloween, but each place in Drama gives you a certain piece of candy. So for example, Crystal Sands gives you candy corn. And if we go to Coral Canyons, Coral Canyons gives you a candy cane. And for Syrupia Forest, lag is real. Syrupia Forest gives you peppermint. I see Mount Trevere isn't giving out candy. Clap clap, AGHQ. And where we're going next is Juma, and Juma, they give you lollipops. So if we go down here to the Take One by Club Geos, so let's just go up. So I believe it's a lollipop. Yes, it is. A Pondell gives you oh my god, the lag is real. What does it give you? It gives you it gives you like Starburst. Then in Kimbara Outback, it gives you what is it called? Butterscotch. And finally, the Lost Temple of Zyos gives you an apple. Why do you hate us? Why do you hate us, Lost Temple of Zyos? Anyway, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this helped you somehow. Anyway, goodbye.